Kakenhon Menteri hini kesengi ke arah kandai tarik unai wing kalau menjer banbo hadu nyautli ki Ktem Pulit lani ki border outpost haki jaka bala ban mi jengkulmar ki baron hakaput Meghalaya ban Assam. Kita ki Ktem Pulit bala menjer banbo ki kan thop nadu ka Muriap BOP ha East Janta Hills, ka Mukroh BOP bat ka Tiwi BOP ha West Janta Hills, ka Rani Jirang BOP ha Ribhoi, ka Wali BOP Leja Dubi BOP, barka Langpi BOP ha West Khasi Hills. Laban kedau hang ni, bakadai Hadien ka Jingjia sya thombor ha Mukroh ka bala penlong ka Sorkar ban shim ya ka rai ban penmi bun ki Ktem Pulit banyada ya ki pat kaput.
So very good afternoon to everyone and welcome to the press conference. Today in the cabinet, some important and critical decisions were taken. I'll just go through the main ones. Number one was the approval of the Meghalaya mental health and social care policy. This, of course, is a very important policy and a subject which has been not given the kind of importance in the past that it should. And as a state and as a government, we strongly feel that mental health issues are usually neglected, and hence comprehensive policy was required to address this issue. I am happy to tell you that we are the third state in the country to have come out with this policy. And I'm sure that this particular policy will ensure that the proper attention that should be given to mental health, especially when it comes to young children, adolescent, teenagers. And of course, this is a subject that is very vast and covers different aspects of individuals' lives and different aspects that lead to issues concerning mental health. So the policy was approved today by the cabinet. Second was the amendment of the Meghalaya Victim Compensation Scheme 2019. This is basically victims, meaning women or girl child or male child who has suffered loss or injury caused by reasons of the act or omission due to sexual harassment. And there were certain amendments to be made as per the national policy in terms of different aspects to be added to it, and different levels of compensation was increased. So those were approved as per the national average and the national policy. The third and the most important decision for today was the creation of different outposts in different sensitive locations of the state along the border areas. And the cabinet today has officially sanctioned and approved BOP for East Janta Hills in Muriap, in West Janta Hills in Mukroh and Thaw, BOP number 3. This is in West Janta Hills. In Ribhoi, in Rani Jirang, the BOP has been approved. In West Khasi Hills, in Wali, number 2 in Leja Dubi, and number 3 in Langpi. We have also decided that the outpost will be officially sanctioned for Athyabari. Also, we have decided that the upgradation of the outpost to full-fledged police stations will be done in Patharkama, number 1, and number 2 in Kirshai, and number 2 in Kirshai, and for outpost will also be upgraded. So these were the different locations where the BOPs have been sanctioned, and we will ensure that we swiftly act and ensure that the manpower is there in these different locations and required infrastructure also be created at the earliest.